My shortcut, Shift plus middle mouse button. Let's create a cube and select Move tool. If we Shift click middle mouse button, we can move this object depending on how we move our mouse. So if we move it sideways, the cube will also move sideways. If we move it up and down, the cube will move it up and down. The axis selects automatically depending on our mouse movement. We can't do this with these little squares, unfortunately, using this method. Now, we can also do this with rotation, but again, if we shift middle click, it only rotates like this. If we try to select it an axis though, it will rotate around this axis, around the selected axis. So we can also use scale tool with this. By default, it scales the last selected axis, but it can also select it can also scale it like this. So it depends on the direction that we are doing it. Alright, let's create another cube from scratch. And here we can see we can move middle mouse. We can use our middle mouse button to scale this how we want it. Just try to kind of drag it it will somehow find out what direction you want to use. Alright. You can also use middle mouse button without shift if you want to scale in several directions at once, like this. That's it.